further to discuss Beyond Meat for the price action for this year, because still pulling back. There's a bottom that we might visit for a squeeze from the bottom up. Remember, guys, our content here for educational purposes, and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So, guys, for Beyond Meat, many of you ask me about the action, like where we're gonna go from here. We got a really interesting seller. Let me just show you the big picture. If you don't know, we got a turning point actually for Beyond Meat back. It was 1 month ago. We had something change everything for Beyond Meat, which is this seller. It was on the 24th of October. Today is the 24th of November, so 1 month before. This triangle, if you see, guys, this triangle is the turning point for Beyond Meat, because the first pullback happened here on the 21st of October is okay because the price was up from below the 1 until almost the 10, so it's almost 10x. So it's that normal that we have a pullback. But this is here is not normal. Once this seller came in, the second seller, it changed the trend. And that's why we entered a bearish scenario here inside this channel, and we didn't break from it since then. Now we have a little bottom that we might visit before the end of this year. From my humble opinion, it might give us the turning point, and of course the buyers might be interested to buy the dip here around the 65 or almost the 66 cent in order to reverse. So here right now we are down 4%. So if we dipped more around 20%, this should be the dip or the latest dip where the market maker and the whale would be interested to buy Beyond Meat on discounted price. This is kind of Black Friday for Beyond Meat price actually. And how are we going to confirm that would be great question to ask, because if we dipped around the 65 and then break the white line, this is the first sign, guys, breaking this channel up, not just testing it like here. You see this wick? We have just a test and the price pullback. Here again, we have another test pullback. Here, another test pullback. So we don't want to have a pullback, but clear green candle holding over the white line. Then the second signal is breaking the 116 this time to squeeze up. So if we went down from the 66 until here, yes, we might have a nice jump this time, not 1000%, but at least 200% around the $2.11. But the first sign, as we said, breaking the white line here, and second, breaking the orange line in order to confirm that Beyond Meat had a huge whale, but the bottom for. But for now, we don't have any confirmation yet because the price is still continues slowly down uh, for the price action for Beyond Meat. So now we have a few days left before the 1st of December or next month for the next week. So this is will be a turning point, for my opinion, for Beyond Meat before the end of this month, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this action and where the price will reverse. Are we gonna have a reversal, or this continuation for the bearish momentum will continue to go down even below the 65 cent, which is the turning point that we should see a major buyer by then.